5 Best Cuisinart Ice Cream Maker. Ice 70 Electronic Ice Cream Maker. Cuisinart was one of the first companies to popularize electric ice cream makers for home users. This one makes a whopping 2 quarts of ice cream per batch, and has a simple control panel with an LCD screen that's easy to read. There are 3 settings for ice cream, gelato, or sorbet, which control the speed of the mixing paddle. The time is automatically set for each option, but can be adjusted manually. When time is up, the machine automatically shuts off. Comes with ingredient spout with integrated measuring cup. Ice 100 Ice Cream Maker. The Cuisinart Ice 100, which consistently churned out very good ice cream and sorbet in about 30 minutes. The Ice 100 has only 3 functions on its touchpad control: on-off, start-stop, and a programmable LCD timer. Once the ice cream is done, the machine goes into an automatic cooling mode for 10 minutes. Its powerful 150-watt motor efficiently churns 1.5 quarts in 30 minutes or less. Also has 2 paddles for authentic gelato and for creamy ice cream. All the parts are BPA free. Ice 45 Ice Cream Maker. This fully automatic serve ice cream maker can make 1.5 quarts of ice cream, or about 10 to 12 servings at a time. To serve, simply press on the lever just like you would a commercial soft serve machine. You can also add in your favorite toppings and mix-ins thanks to the 3 dispensers on the side. It is able to product ice cream in just 20 minutes. Its handle make ice cream swirl out like with an authentic serve machine. This product built to North American electrical standards. Ice 30 BC Ice Cream Maker. Reasonable pricing, usability, technology and aesthetics all coming together in one piece of work. It can surely state that Cuisinart has designed one of the best automatic ice cream makers in the market. This machine is fully automatic frozen yogurt, sorbet, and ice cream maker. It builds with brushed stainless steel housing, heavy-duty motor. BPA free. It has a large ingredient spout for easily adding favorite mix-ins. And it also included with double insulated 2-quart freezer bowl. Ice 21R Frozen Yogurt, Ice Cream Maker. This is another mind-blowing product from Cuisinart to make frozen yogurt, ice cream and sorbet. It has a large capacity, makes up to 1-2 quarts. New mixing paddle makes frozen desserts and drinks in 20 minutes or less. It has double insulated freezer bowl that eliminates the need for ice. Easy lock transparent lid with large spout makes adding ingredients simple and mess-free. This is fully automatic with large ingredient spout for adding ingredients.